can't you do it right here? And why can't you confirm things right in front of you? Or if you want to test somebody, why can't a remote viewer look inside this box in another room? So these are all the things you can do to practice remote viewing, and so many other things that you can do psychically. So you can put, as I said, it's difficult if you put everything in there. But let's say you put in, 10 yellows, 10 greens, and 1 red. Penguin. As I said, these are cute. And put in 1 red penguin. And then you hunt for that 1 red penguin. So that means you've got 21 pieces in there, and you want to find the red piece. So, and that would be the penguin. And of course, you can just grab any piece here. Don't look at it. Grab any red piece. Then stick it in there. Well, you just grab any red piece. As I said, don't look at it. Just stick it in there. And then take a certain, and you don't even really have to count these. Take a certain number of these in your hands and then throw them in. So you don't know what color, what shape the red one is. You could put on your blinders as well. So you don't know it. So technically you got 21 pieces in there and you're looking for the red one. And you don't know what it is. You don't know it's a penguin or anything else. And you don't care because we're not searching for shapes that time. So shapes are different. Now you can put a whole bunch of these in here and then just go for the shape because you will not be tricking yourself because you're looking for a random shape. You take a card out and you can pick anyone on here. Find the snowman. Find the snowman. Now, we're not looking for a color, so if you put them in there, it's not a problem. And that is difficult. So you're going to have to go in there and you're visualizing all the time the snowman. You're thinking snowman, snowman, trying to locate that shape. And when you start feeling things, you're going to feel shapes. What's going to happen is images start to come into your mind because they have to. Fingers don't see directly. Of course, some people claim you can see through your skin and other things, and this is another way of developing that. Sensing what something is, sensing the shape, sensing the color, sensing in general. And of course, you start in the most primitive way, which is by feeling it, and then you start moving into actual sensing it without necessarily touching. Just hold your hand over it. And of course, that's what sensing for actual colors do. Colors you have to sense. It's 100% sense. And you have to feel the difference between what's the feeling that you get with yellow? What's the sense feeling you get with green? What's the sense feeling that blue puts out? What's the sense feeling that red puts out? It has nothing to do with the shape. We're talking about color energy here. Then we get into just building visualization, as we did with all the other tools, by using these. And these are a whole bunch of fun as I said, fun, different designs, shapes that you can use. And that's where you start. That's the easiest. And you can make it harder by putting all sorts of different shapes in. And that's up to you. And that's what this expansion kit is all about. So as usual, I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, as usual, we always are here to help. Make sure you have no fear in contacting us and ask us any questions. Until next time.